Wondering if your graphics card is out of shape? In this video, I'll show you easy ways to monitor your graphics card and keep tabs on its health. Let's get started checking up on your card. The first method is by using the Settings app. Hit the Windows key and I to open Settings. From there, go to System and then Display. Next, select Advanced Display Options. Click Display Adapter Properties for your monitor. Now hit Properties in the Adapter Type tab. This will pull up the all-important device info. Switch over to the General tab. Here we find the Device Status section. This is what we've been looking for. It will tell us if our GPU is running smoothly or if there are any issues. If everything looks good, it will say, "This device is working properly." The second method is by using the DirectX tool. Start typing DXDiag in Windows Search. Once you see it in the search results, click on Open. Click on the Display tab along the top. This is where we'll find any issues with our graphics card. Take a look in the Notes section. If DXDiag detects any problems, it will list them here. But if your GPU is running smoothly, it will give the reassuring message of no problems found. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.